Hey guys, we're at Techwa and today we're gonna be doing an amazing video. So basically, we're gonna be doing a phone which is JioPhone next, and that's gonna be launching on September 10th. And let's head to that right now.
We go for the review of this JioPhone Next. The JioPhone Next will be available for purchase on September 10th, and the release date is on September 10th, 2021. And Reliance announced the availability of its first smartphone during the AGM event in June this year. And the JioPhone Next has been designed in partnership with Google, and it is for those who are looking to upgrade from 2G to 4G connectivity. A recent 91 Mobile's website report also asserted that the company is already in talks with its retail partners sale of the phone, while the company is yet to reveal the price of the JioPhone Next. The rumors mill suggest that the handset could cost rupees 3,499. Now let's head to the expected specification of the JioPhone Next.
So most specifications, but this we're gonna be knowing about its expected specifications. So at the event, Reliance Jio did not confirm the specifications of JioPhone Next and only confirmed that the features that the US users will get with this phone. The leaks and the rumors suggest that the new JioPhone would ship with Android 11. Also with the Go edition and offer a compact 5.5-inch HD display under the hood, and there's a Qualcomm 215 SoC as per the leaks. And now let's also get to know more about the let's see, memory. So the phone is offered to be having a 2 GB and a 3 GB RAM with a 16 GB or 32 GB of eMMC 4.5 storage options. Now when we go for the camera, we can know that this is having a 13 megapixel camera with a sensor at the back and an 8 megapixel selfie camera at the front, and also this is having a 2500 mAh battery inside the device. And also the dual SIM smartphone is rumored to have support for Bluetooth version 4.2 and GPS connectivity. Now let's head to actually the confirmed features.
So as we go for the confirmed features of the JioPhone Next comes with the features like voice assistant, automatic red allowed off-screen text language translation, smart camera with the augmented reality filters, and much more. One will also see an option to change the language of the phone's content with just a tap of a button. The device supports a digital assistant, so users will be able to ask Google Assistant for the latest cricket scores or a weather update using their voice. You can also ask the digital assistant to play music on JioSaavn or check your balance on the My Jio app. And the handset has an HDR mode as well as a Snapchat and lenses, which is directly accessible from the phone's camera. The company has promised that the JioPhone will receive most major OS and security updates. Though it is not clear with Android version the phone will run at launch. The device has a single camera on the front and one sensor at the rear panel, and it lacks a fingerprint sensor and features broad bezels at the top and the bottom. And that's all with the review of the JioPhone Next. If you want more tech videos like this, you have to subscribe and turn on notification bell, hit the like button if you like it, and then you have to share with your friends, relatives, family members who will be great support for us to make more videos. And that's all. My name is John.
My name is Jonas.
We are TechWall, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.
Bye bye.